Aloha. Today is January 14th, 2023, and it's a Saturday in Hawaii. This is a 3-day weekend. Today we're going to go to Sandy's Beach, take a little dip in the ocean to relieve the stress and relax the muscles after doing our workouts this week. But at 2 o'clock, we're going to go to the Blaisdell Concert Hall and watch Hamilton. We're here to pick up the tickets in person because as a small hack, it's a little cheaper to buy them in person. Next stop will be Sandy's Beach. Aloha. Hamilton just let out and we're driving home. Actually, we're taking a little shortcut because we wanted to show you some of the scenes in Waikiki. We're gonna grab something to eat for dinner. I do recommend Hamilton. Take the family, take friends, go check it out. We're in the most recognized strip area in Waikiki. This is the Waikiki Strip where on the evenings you have street entertainers, vendors, high-end clothing stores, restaurants. This is where all the action happens as far as the city life in Waikiki. You should check it out. If you come to Oahu, you probably will be staying very close to this area. It's a beautiful area, but a lot of locals don't hang out here because it is pricey, but it is a great area to see Waikiki, to see the high-end boutiques, and just to hang out. The beaches here, the beach that we're gonna pass and show you, is one of the most known reference points on Oahu. Aloha and enjoy the scenery.